My dear one, come sit with me for a moment. Let's take this time to slow down, breathe, and truly be present together. Let's talk about a beautiful secret, the law of attraction, a gentle force that shapes our lives in ways both subtle and profound. It's not magic, it's as natural as breathing. Just as the air fills your lungs, this law quietly fills your world with possibility. The universe listens and responds to the song in your heart, echoing your deepest hopes and feelings. What you send out, joy, love, gratitude, returns to you, often in ways you never expected. Manifestation is simply bringing your dreams to life, planting seeds of intention and watching them grow. You are a co-creator with the universe, not just a passenger. Every thought and action helps shape your journey. Your thoughts and feelings are magnets, drawing experiences to you, attracting what matches your energy. Focus on gratitude and hope, and you'll attract more to be grateful for. The more you notice the good, the more it grows. This isn't about blame, but awakening to your power. You are not powerless. You are wonderfully capable. You can choose what you focus on: abundance, kindness, peace. Each choice shapes your reality a little more. This journey is about self-discovery and learning the language of the universe, one gentle step at a time. It's a gentle path, requiring patience and self-love. Be kind to yourself as you learn and grow. Take a deep breath and let go of doubt. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Open your heart to the possibility that you are more powerful than you've been told, and that your dreams matter. A world of wonder is waiting for you, filled with beauty, hope, and endless potential. Let's begin this journey together, hand in hand, with open hearts and curious minds. Imagine your mind as a fertile garden. Every thought is a seed, and you are the gardener. You choose what to plant: doubt or hope, fear or courage. The universe provides the soil, sun and rain, no judgment. The thoughts you repeat take root and shape your reality. A positive mindset doesn't ignore hardship. It looks for the sun behind the clouds. When you cultivate positivity, you align with the universe's energy. Become a conscious gardener. Notice negative thoughts, gently pull them out, and plant gratitude instead. Say, "Thank you for this day," or "Something wonderful is on its way." Your mind is sacred. Tend to it with care. What you plant inside will become your reality. Choose your seeds wisely. Nurture your inner garden with love. Watch your world blossom. Thoughts are seeds, tiny beginnings of what could be, holding the potential for your dreams to take root. But feelings are the water that makes them grow, nourishing your intentions and bringing them to life. The universe responds to the vibration of your heart, not just your words or thoughts, but the energy you radiate from within. Joy, love, and gratitude are powerful signals that you're ready to receive, like beacons calling in what you desire. Imagine your dream has already come true. Feel the joy and gratitude now, as if it's already part of your life. This isn't pretending. It's aligning your energy with your desires, creating a powerful match between your inner world and what you wish to attract. Your emotions are your compass. When you feel good, you're on the right path, moving closer to your dreams with every step. Doubt or sadness is just a signal to gently shift your focus, a gentle nudge to realign with what feels better. Don't fear your feelings. Listen and learn from them, for they are messengers guiding you toward growth and understanding. Practice feeling good for its own sake. Laugh, listen to uplifting music, spend time in nature, and let joy become your habit. The more you cultivate positive emotions, the more natural it becomes to live in a state of happiness and ease. Your feelings fuel your manifestations, acting as the driving force behind everything you attract. Fill your heart with love and gratitude, and watch the universe respond in ways you never imagined. It's a beautiful sacred cycle. What you feel, you attract, and what you attract, you feel even more deeply. Let your feelings guide you, trusting that your heart knows the way. You are a magnet for joy. and your feelings are the key to unlocking a life filled with abundance and happiness. Starting this practice is simple and gentle. You don't need any special tools or experience, just a willingness to show up for yourself each day. This is a moment to pause, to reconnect with your intentions, and to nurture your inner world. Create a daily ritual, just 5 or 10 minutes in the morning or evening. Choose a time that feels right for you, when you can be undisturbed and present. Consistency is more important than duration. Find a quiet space, breathe deeply, and let your mind grow still. Allow yourself to settle, letting go of any tension or distractions from the day. Think of 3 things you're truly grateful for. Feel the gratitude in your heart. Let each one fill you with warmth, no matter how big or small. Gratitude is the foundation of abundance. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already present and beautiful in your life. State your desire in the present tense, as if it's already true. Speak it with confidence and clarity, allowing yourself to believe in its possibility. For example, I am grateful for this peaceful day. Use words that resonate with you and feel authentic. Feel the peace as you say it. Claim it as yours. Let that feeling settle into your body and mind, anchoring you in the present moment. Align your energy with your desired reality. Imagine yourself already living it, and notice how your mood and outlook begin to shift. Then, release your desire. Trust the universe has heard you. Let go of any need to control the outcome. Imagine letting it float away, free from worry about how or when. Trust that what is meant for you will find its way. Your job is to ask, believe, and be open to receive. Stay receptive to unexpected blessings and opportunities. Go about your day with faith and gratitude. Carry this energy with you, letting it color your actions and interactions. This simple practice will shift your energy. Over time, you'll notice more positivity, clarity, and joy in your life. Doors to new possibilities will open. Begin today and watch your world transform, one small step at a time. Start with small, joyful manifestations to build your faith. Try manifesting a good parking spot. Imagine it, feel the relief, and let it go. Notice how often things align when you expect the best. Or, manifest a message from a friend. Picture their smile, send love, and expect connection. Release attachment to how it happens. Just open the pathway. Manifest small surprises. A compliment, a found feather, a kind gesture. Set the intention. I am open to wonderful surprises today. Celebrate each little joy. Say thank you to the universe. Each success strengthens your belief and trust. These small beginnings teach you the rhythm of manifestation. You're learning to trust yourself and the world. Let these little victories build your confidence. The dance of manifestation starts with simple steps. Keep practicing. Watch your faith grow. Doubts will come. They're natural, like clouds passing the sun. Don't fight your doubts. Acknowledge them gently. When doubt arises, remember a time when something wonderful happened. Remind yourself that good things are possible. Pivot your focus back to hope and gratitude. If your desire takes time, trust the process. Sometimes delays are protection or preparation for something better. Whisper, I trust the timing of my life. Manifestation is a practice, not a test. If you have a tough day, begin again tomorrow. Your positive intentions are powerful. Each sunrise is a new chance to plant seeds of hope. Be kind to yourself. Faith grows with gentle care. Your journey will have ups and downs. Keep tending to your faith. It will grow stronger every day. Patience is born of trust. The universe doesn't deliver instantly. It works in perfect timing. Like a farmer trusts a seed to grow, trust your desires to unfold. When you send out a wish, events begin to align behind the scenes. Sometimes, others' choices or new opportunities must fall into place. Impatience creates resistance. Patience lets the river flow. During the wait, keep your faith high and focus on gratitude. Appreciate what you have now. signal you're ready for more. Live fully in the present. Joy attracts more joy. The waiting period is a gift, time to prepare for your dream. Sometimes you need to grow before receiving what you want. Trust the timing, it's always perfect. What's meant for you will never miss you. Your dream is on its way. Trust the unfolding. After asking and believing, the hardest step is letting go. Surrender your desire, like releasing an arrow, let it fly. Letting go isn't giving up, it's releasing worry and attachment. Clinging creates tension. Trust opens your hand to receive. Practice letting go by living fully in the present. Find joy in daily life, be present with loved ones, and pursue what you love. When you're whole and joyful now, your desires come more easily. After your daily practice, hand your desire to the universe. Say, I trust you to bring this in the perfect way and time. Then shift your focus. Walk, call a friend, read. Letting go is the ultimate act of trust. It's the final step that allows magic to happen. Open your arms to receive. What's meant for you will come. This is the true beginning of your journey as a creator. Everything you need, thoughts, feelings, faith, is already within you. You are a child of the universe, born to shape your reality. Thank you for opening your heart to these ideas. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and gentle with yourself. Promise to dream bigger, believe in your worth, and look for magic in small moments. It's never too late to start anew. Today, choose a new thought, a new feeling, a new garden to plant. The universe is ready to help you bring your dreams to life. Go forward with gratitude and confidence. You are the author of your story. The world awaits your light. Begin now. The universe is cheering you on.